Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. This time I'm in downtown by myself. By the time you're watching this video, it must be in the new year. So let me tell you guys, Happy New Year. I'm passing by a bus, so let me pass that. Yeah, I have to pass that bus. You guys know Chichi bus them always full of nice. But yeah, it's gonna be a new year by the time you're watching this video. So I hope you guys have a great new year. But in my last street food video, you guys remembered I went to this place called Marie's. I didn't quite get the address or where it was, so I'm gonna try to find that place right now. I'm feeling hungry. It's 9:35 a.m. in the morning. It's December, what is it? December 29th. So it's 3 days before New Year's. So right now I'm gonna try to get that peanut porridge first and foremost. I'm gonna get that shrimp that I never got the chance to have, and try to find some other street food. Some of you guys did tell me that if I want street food I have to come like early in the morning. I think this is earlier than we came here last time. Last time we were here by like 10:30 or so.
Head held high, even though it's not a lie that we knee deep in the dust. Killing time while pretending that we're fine, thinking someday we will burn.
Alright, so again I'm behind another chichi bus, but I believe the place was somewhere across that side. I'm not so sure. I must gonna ask somebody. I just remember the place is called Marie's restaurant. I can't really miss that. It's probably somewhere off there. Find it, guys. We find Marie's 5-star home cooking. Ha ha ha! And even repaint everything. Marie, is Marie here? No. Some stewed chicken, green banana, dumpling, and a fresh orange juice. Is it $4.80? Everything. Alright guys, so I'm about to leave Marie's right now. A little bit disappointed because I really wanted to get that cornmeal porridge. That's one of the things I wanted, and the shrimp. Hopefully I can find the shrimp here on the way down. But the food was good, regular Jamaican food. You don't know, dumpling, banana, yam, stewed chicken. Yo, it's legit become a thing that every time I come downtown I forget the handkerchief because it is hot down here. But like Jamaicans, somebody just see a girl and just say big cocoa bread, smart. I was like, yo, what the hell? You never say cocoa bread, you say the other word, but I was just like, yo. But anyway, what I do now, I'm going to try to find the shrimp lady. Hopefully she's there. Hope you know I take no vacation on the holiday, yeah. Try to make some money, and that's gonna be the vibe. Oh yeah, so your shrimp name will come, right? Shrimp? Yeah. Shrimp? Yeah. Give me like 2 bags. 2 bags. No, more like 100. Alright. So there's some fresh shrimp I got drop right now, though. finer one, them better for me here. But the money normally nice and soft. Oh, boy, good shrimp, man.
Shrimp come already?
You can put the juice up in there, please.
Let's put the night out.
Dirty. Yo, this is the closest I've ever felt like like a madman just sitting down here just out in the open. But I got my shrimp a little bit high up in the town. I just drove down here. My guy is pretty much washing a car right now, washing my car for about 300 Jamaican dollars, which is $2.50 US, I believe. I'm just looking off into the ocean currently. I mean, I could have sat on the side, but yo, it's gonna be too hot, so here is optimal. Across there you guys might see a little bit of setting up. There's normally like a really big New Year's event that happens here. New Year's is in about 2-3 days from now, so they're probably setting up some parts of the road are blocked off and things. So yeah, if you are ever thinking about doing it next year, which is 2020, couple tips. First and foremost, don't drive down here. It's gonna be fully packed. You're not gonna get parking space. Whenever you do come down here, make sure that you don't travel with too much valuables, because it's gonna be a lot of people. You know what happens when there's crowds. But yeah, I'm gonna get into the shrimp eating thing right now, because at least I've scored one of the things that I really wanted: shrimp. This bag is busted. Crap. It happens because the claws are so sharp. It's gonna bust the bag, but whatever. Yeah. If I'm supposed to be really honest with you, whenever I buy my shrimp from the roadside, my favorite ones are the ones that are more soft shell, because they tend to be a little more tender. So yeah, that one wasn't really my favorite one, but it can go on. But anyway, I'm just here chilling here a little bit. My next intention is to actually go by I don't remember the name of the cafe. It's cafe something, but I think it's owned by another YouTuber. Hopefully it's open, because I need to use the bathroom, and I actually like to have a coffee from there. It was recommended to me not too long ago. So yeah, that's going to be the vibe. I guess it's going to show like a nice contrast between, the downtown sides of downtown and the new renovations that they're trying to do. Alright, I think I had enough of a chill. Let's go. Yeah, so I'm now here. It's called Island Coffee Cafe, Jamaica, pour over, yada yada yada. let's see what's Alright guys, so I just got my coffee fix just now. I had an amaretto flavored coffee. It was pretty good. It's probably the hardest coffee to film ever. Jamaican people don't like cameras at all, but I understand that. But anyway, I'm just here off by the pier. I could have been out here to drink the coffee, but it was a bit too, but I say no, it's a bit too hot, so yeah. Alright, so again, I've been downtown. I've been searching for street food spots. I don't think I've been the most successful. I only found one thing out of everything I wanted to find. If you guys know of a particular street food spot that is just good at street food, good vibes, good food, drop it in the comments, let me know. Help me to find this place. Quite frankly, right now I don't think that there are a lot of, the food culture hasn't seemed to be one of the mainstays here down here, to be quite honest. I'm not talking just the basic stew chicken, dumpling, banana. I'm talking like, you know, like some jerk chicken with some festival or just some creative stuff like you'd see in Mexico. Another thing, I would like to do another, like a scavenger hunt, maybe try to search for a product that maybe that I can afford. Now, once you find this product, drop it in the comments, let me know. Once I can afford it and the product is shippable, I will search for the product downtown. I think that's going to be fun, and then I'll ship it off to whoever sends me the most unique comment about the unique product that I should try to find. It could be a baking tin, it could be a craft item, something of the sort. I'll ship it off to you guys, alright? But the last thing I'm going to do right now is to try to see what the setup is, what they're trying to do here downtown for New Year's.
Head held high, even though it's not a lie that we need deep in the dust. Killing time while pretending that we're fine, thinking someday we will burst.
Oh man, it's always like a trip coming downtown Kingston, I can tell you that, yo. But I do look forward to you guys' comments, you know, just to hear like the cool places I can go to. Quite frankly, I think I found as much as I can find. Definitely from a shopping perspective for like clothes and merchandise, everything is down here. But yeah, it's not 2-3 days away from New Year's, it's about 1, because today is December the 30th. I'm so far track off with time. But anyway, I'm about to head home right now, prepare myself so I can go to Montego Bay. That's where I want to spend this New Year's. It's been a while since I've spent New Year's with my mom, so that's going to be the vibe. But anyway guys, thanks for watching the video with me today. My very first time downtown videoing on my own. It's not the easiest, but remember to see things, love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.